Hi everyone, this is Rani Ashish, photo editor for Midday Infomedia Limited. I started my career at JJ School of Arts, and later I decided to take photography as my profession. In 1994, I got a break in photography. The story was BJP leader Mr. Ramdas Nayak was shot dead at his residence, and I was the first photographer to reach at the spot, and I shot nearly 12 to 13 negatives, and that was my first credit line, which came as Ashish Rane in the newspaper. My first assignment was when Aishwarya Rai was crowned as Miss World, and she landed at airport at morning 3:30. That was my first assignment. This was during the funeral of Harivansh Rai Bachchan, father of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, the superstar. And the moment Mr. Bachchan with Abhishek Bachchan were taking rounds with the fire in their hand, I had got 7 to 8 frames, and that was published totally 8 columns in Gujarati Midday, English Midday 5 columns. And after some days, Mr. Bachchan got to know about this picture, and one of his PR person called me that साहब को वो photo चाहिए. So I had taken a proper permission from my office, and the picture was emailed to him. 1 week later, I just get a nicely autograph letter saying thanks, and it was a very nice picture. Earlier, when we started journalism, we should have a camera, a proper flash, and then we used to get a job. Nowadays, what is happening? Photographers don't have their own camera. They just walk in with their portfolio, and that too, we used to make portfolios with the big pictures nicely pasted. And now photographers are walking for an interview with a pen drive. We had the camera and we got the job, but now this generation, they are getting directly big equipments from the office, and they have to just start shooting. Near Rajkumar's studio, there was a movie shooting going on of actress Kareena Kapoor, and she was wearing a red sari, and it was raining, and she was dancing in the rains. And that time I had shot 13 rolls, and I got a nice firing that from my boss that as if you are not going to see Kareena Kapoor again dancing in the rain, and you have shot so many rolls over here. Suddenly in one night, newspapers are being shut down, but that's not the reason. There's another way also, that plenty streams are there. Now in Midday also there are, sports is there, hard news is there, guide covers food shoots and everything. Sunday Midday covers interviews. There is space for photography. You should always have your camera with you whenever you're going out with your family or anywhere, because the moment you see, you should shoot the picture. And it's always said that the photograph should speak 1,000 words. The photographer should not speak 10,000 words. Mr. Mohan Bane, Prasad Loke, then Mr. Mukesh Parpiani, Mr. Pradeep Chandra, Mr. Rajan Chaugule. Ms. Anjali Ved Patak, now after marriage she has become Bhagwat, our Indian rifle shooter. She said this photographer had called me soon after my marriage that I am coming to shoot your pictures. Before he could come at my home, that I had cleaned all my rifles, all my awards and everything. But this photographer did not shoot single picture with the rifle or with that Chhatrapati award or all the awards. He just took me to the kitchen and he said, make chapatis. Then with that bail, and he told me to shoot. I had told her that Anjali ji, while when you do rifle shooting, you close your one eye, right? So then with that bail, she closed her one eye and she did just an action of a firing. That picture you will see properly, then you will understand what the picture is about. Ganpati Bappa passing through Bandra, Kalanagar, the first Mumbai skywalk. Then I had kept in my mind that we should shoot some nice picture of Ganpati Bappa idol passing through that skywalk, and so I had given a caption that Bappa pass ho gaya karke. Aditya Thackeray, now our minister in this government, he was in 10th standard. I had got the picture with his mother wishing him best of luck, and he was entering his 10th standard exam, and he loves that picture, he remembers that picture. Lathi charge which had happened at Bandra station just in this pandemic, the start of the pandemic, where somebody started rumors that the train is going to leave for the migrants for outstation, and thousands of migrants were present over there. Then they were distributed food, but some were violent, and so there was a lathi charge over there, and this picture has won an award at Press Club. Sonali Kulkarni, I had called her, so she said she has just started riding a bike. So I met at Andheri, and since she was riding a bike, I told her not to wear the helmet. So I was standing at one junction and I told Sonali Kulkarni to just take a round and come back. She came late, and then I found out that since she was not wearing the helmet, she was being caught by a traffic police cop. Hinduja Hospital in Santa Cruz, there Salman Khan had come for some of his treatment, and then he decided to ride his bike back home, and me and my colleague Pradeep Dhiwar, we both followed him, and we were thinking that Salman doesn't know that we are chasing him, but he was ahead of us and he stopped us and pulled my camera. But that was a friendly thing, so I told him I am from Midday, and so he left us. I would like to wish all my team members and my friends a very happy World Photography Day.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.